Hey guys, Brian here with another tip of the day. We talked a lot about the polyurethanes and polyurethane foams that we utilize in our slab leveling. Now we're going to get into a little bit more of the other applications that we utilize the polyurethane for. We utilize it for not only the slab leveling, but we also use it for void filling once we lift the house or structure with the piers. We also use it for insulation instead of fiberglass insulation. We can use it for waterproofing behind walls or on exposed walls. And then last but not least, you can utilize it for roofing. There's many applications you can utilize the polyurethane for, and then view into our upcoming tips of the day and we'll go into each one individually. And that's your tip of the day.